Hey, what's up guys? I'm Angel, for those of you who don't know me. Today I'm gonna be filming a video about something that I saw on this movie, or Popcornflix, you know, the movies on YouTube. But anyways, it's like a skating movie, I don't know what it's called. But what they did was that they got $1. See, I have an example here. They got $1 and then they put tape on it. So basically what they did was they put this in the vending machine, and then it took money, or it took the money, and then you go beep boop boop, you know, and then pick your snack, and then you pull it back out. And I was wondering if that worked. So basically you still get your money back and you get a snack, and I wanted to try it out. Guys, I literally could not find a vending machine, so I found this. See, it still has a $1 slot. So I guess I'm gonna try it out right here. So let's go. So I'm just gonna like try this. Hopefully nobody like sees me because I don't want to get in trouble. So let's just get the $1 out. Let's try it out. Oh Lord, please don't get me in trouble. What? Maybe it's this way. Why is it taking it? What? Maybe I have to flip it this way. No! Insert. Face up. Okay, it's face up. What? Why isn't it taking it? I don't get it. Do you think it censors the, Bro! Oh, shoot. I don't know, guys. I don't know why it's not taking the $1. I think maybe it either senses the tape. I don't think that's right. But, or it's also because I might be putting in the $1 wrong. I think it has to go in this way where the tape is. So, like, insert it that way. But instead I'm putting it that way. I don't even know, dudes. This sucks. I still need to find out if this works or not, because I like really want to try. I'm pretty sure it will work, especially because I don't think it's going to censor the tape. But I want to keep trying, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be on my way to try to find another vending machine. I don't know, it's kind of hard to find one. I'm literally out here, so it's gonna be hard. I already checked the library, that was closed. I didn't know it was closed today, so that sucks. But I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, so I made it to the laundromat, and there are some vending machines here, at least like one I think, but there are some people here. So I'm gonna try to do it anyways. So let's go. $. It's not taking it, so let's see if this will take it. No. Take it. Take it. It's not taking it. So guys, it wasn't taking my $1. It didn't work. It probably sensed the tape. So